everyone, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by all the people here at Solar Wolf Energy. Today's video is nothing more than just a shameless plug about we're moving yet again. We're moving to a new facility, so I think this is like, I don't know, our fifth or sixth move in 4 years. So I think it's pretty impressive. As a company overall, we've done this with, we haven't gone and got any SBA loans or any investor funding or anything, so bootstrapping this, and with the original investment of my family, my wife and I. So it's exciting to watch, it's exciting to be part of, and I think at this point we're getting a lot of followers and fans who just want to see this thing keep going, right? We're growing like a tech company speed. I think it's pretty cool. You know, a lot of the people here are excited about it. I am also, obviously. I hope you guys are too. Look for a new spot at News Drop today in the media. We're going to, our new headquarters is going to be in an old furniture warehouse. So it's big boy status. We're growing up. So this one here is going to be a 40,000 square foot facility right on Route 20 in Auburn, Massachusetts. So we're going to keep the current headquarters we have now as a distribution center and warehouse, but we're growing up, and we hope you're as excited as we are. It's definitely time we made that big step. Junior's gonna be cool and drop a really good picture of this for you guys can see. You guys can check it out. Maybe put a link in the script so you guys can see the news drop. And thanks for following. Thanks for joining us in the last 4 years and going into our 5th year now. It's been fun, and we hope to continue and grow our network and our family. So thanks for watching, and thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the amazing and dedicated, passionate people here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.